Bible. Bad Bitch Bible.
Hey girls, gays and days, we are back at the Bad Bitch Bible with my very special guest, Miss Pappy.
Hey, hi guys! Oh my God, sobrang happy ako to be here.
No, I'm happy you're here. I wasn't sure you'd say yes to me. I've been wanting to have you on the podcast for a while, but I was shy. Well, yeah. No, kasi baka sabihin, ay, ang feeling.
Ay, hindi. Go ako sa mga ganito. Actually, talagang gusto ko yung mga ganito. Nag-explore ako outside ng mundo namin.
Yeah.
Sobrang saya.
Can I
Excited ako.
know, is Pappy your real name?
No.
Okay.
My name is Charis.
Charis.
Faith Galang. Ang
So-
layo, diba?
So, saan galing yung Pappy?
Kay Mami Oni. Batsag ni Mami Oni yun
Trip
sa
niya
akin.
lang yun.
Oo, pinangalanan niya ako kasi parang gusto niyang ibahin yung screen name namin dati kasi may girl group kami. So, para magkaiba yung persona namin doon sa talagang kami. Tsaka, hindi
Yeah.
nakakaangas yung Charis.
No, I get it though because I'm Kilakosh and Akoshla.
Mm-hmm.
Diba?
Diba?
Pag gusto
May
mo
alter ego ka.
yeah, and it's nice because when you're working, you feel like Pappy.
Yes.
Or like you have that front. And then when you go home and then you're Charisse or, you know, however
Actually,
you want to be
Papi
called.
pa nga rin tawag nila sa akin. So, whenever someone calls me Charis, parang, oh shit, bago ako lumingon, alam ko lang, this is so personal, sobrang close sa akin.
This is from your, from the
Yeah,
past.
childhood, gano'n, like, sobrang,
Trauma.
bago pa ako maging social media, kinemerit na ganyan.
Okay. What's your star rising? Do you know that?
Ay, nakalimutan ko, pero I am a Sagittarius. And
Oh,
I think
fire.
yung Venus ko was, wait, nandito yung chart ko. Actually, bago pa lang ako sa mga ganto-ganto ate.
Yeah, but I'm curious.
Okay.
We always
Wait.
start our podcast with that because I feel like that's how they can get to know you better. For me, kasi I'm Leo Aquarius. And you are how old now? 23?
23.
Oh my God, you're so young.
Diba? Kahit ako minsan hindi ako makapaniwala. Ay, shucks, 23 lang ako. Parang pakiramdam ko yung katawan ko, yung soul ko, parang I've already lived
A million lives.
like years.
Do you feel like you're older than you are?
Oo.
Yeah.
Siguro sa mga experience ko rin kasi sa buhay, kaya parang masyado akong nahatak na maging mature agad.
Yeah. You lost your childhood. I mean, diba? So,
Naubos agad yung youth ko.
no naman. It's still there. You can relive it.
So, ayan. Ang sun ko is Sagittarius. My
Okay.
moon is Virgo.
Oh.
Ano ang rising ko?
Your
paano
moon is
makita
Virgo.
yun?
That's interesting. Sag. No wonder I like you though because you also are fire. Because I'm a Leo. Yeah.
Yeah. Si Tony was Leo. So, I think kaya rin kami
Yeah.
nagkakasundo. Ang rising ko, ito ba? Rising sign is Virgo din.
Yeah. Wow. So you're interesting that you're super Virgo. Interesting because that means, wow, that tells me a lot about you and how you present yourself. But also, if you're outwardly very sad, that's why you're very like free-spirited.
Yes.
You like to have fun, but also you lock in like as a
Oo.
Virgo.
Actually, dun, parang kontra nga sila sa isa't isa.
Yeah.
So, minsan nalilito rin ako sa sarili ko na, I wanted to be free. Parang, just let me be. Like, ayoko na nare-restrict ako. But also at the same time, kapag halimbawa sa bahay ako, like, I just wanna be, sa bahay lang ako, focus ako sa kids. Like,
Yeah.
talagang, may parang daigo pa yung manic and depressive episodes na sobrang di mo malaman yung sarili.
Yung two sides mo.
Two sides ko talaga. Sobrang nagko-kontra sila sa isa't isa.
Oh my gosh. A lot of people were asking, how do you identify us? Are you straight? Are you bi?
I am straight.
Okay.
Yeah. But I like pretty girls. Pero
Okay.
I don't think na I am bi. It's just
Okay.
like kaka-girl crush lang ako, ganyan-ganyan. Pero I'm straight.
Okay. I
Yeah,
think
that-
confused sila because when they were asking me, they were like, is she into femme? Is she into butch? Is she into mask? I think they thought like your girl crush means you're into girls talaga.
Oo.
Pero pwede namang magka-girl crush lang.
Kasi talagang you adore good-looking girls, ganyan. Kasi dati, doon din ako na-confuse. May nagpaligaw ako dati sa butch. May nakakasama ako na talagang bi sila. Pero like, na-realize ko na I just like hanging out with pretty girls. Pero hindi ko sila gusto romantically. Ganon.
Pwede din naman.
Oo.
Yeah. I mean, you are who you surround yourself with.
Yes.
So if you surround yourself with pretty girls, you're a pretty girl. Diba?
Diba?
Okay, so yeah, you've discussed your personal life already a lot in other podcasts, so I'll just breeze through that. But I did want to ask, like, if there's anything about the past, would you change it? Like, I know now you are such like a fun, outgoing person. You've also gone through a lot though. If you could rewind, would you?
I think, sa totoo lang ngayon, wala talaga eh.
Really?
Kung hindi nangyari yung mga nangyari dati, siguro, sige, oo, iba yung ako ngayon. Pero I don't think I wouldn't be this strong.
Yeah.
Kasi like, Diyos ko, feeling ko kung binigay talaga sa akin ni Lord yung gusto ko, siguro mas worse pa ako than kung ano ako ngayon. Kasi kung binigay niya sa akin yung maayos na pamilya, pero buo man yung pamilya ko, tapos fucked up naman yung nanay ko mentally, ganyan. Or nakapag-aral ako, pero like hanggang ngayon, working ako a job na hindi ako sinasatisfy financially. Ang daming aspects. So I think like kung ano man ako ngayon, hindi ko na baguhin ko yung nangyari.
I love that for you. Because it just means you've made peace.
Oo, yes.
With your
With what
path.
happened sa akin.
And you're glowing, you're happy, you have 4 kids.
Yes.
She's a hot mom.
Hot mommy.
Hot mommy. Diba? Was that song?
Masarap lumami.
Masarap lumami.
M&M.
M11 kills me. It's so good. But you are, and I think that's what's so powerful din about it eh. It's different kasi if you're still looking at the past and holding on to it, there's weight eh. Diba? Parang you're gonna carry that forever. But I love to know that you're happy and thriving. What would your message to your younger self be though?
Oh.
Yeah.
Always trust your intuition. Yun talaga. Kasi, lately ko lang na-realize na I am a very intuitive person. Tapos kapag I go against it, tapos na sumunod ako sa advice sa ibang tao, though may tama din naman yung advice nila, pero like, yung outcome, it didn't go the way that I wanted it to be. Kasi hindi ko ginawa yung decision na I feel like ito dapat yung gawin ko.
Yeah, in your heart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just follow your intuition. Malakas ka talaga. Oo, matapang ka. Yun. Lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko yun kasi what you say sa sarili mo talaga na ma-manifest mo. So, if ako, pagkakadepresan ko lang sa sarili ko, lalo ako pag-depress talaga. So, ayun, you're strong. Kaya mong gawin lahat ng gusto mo.
And I know you went through a lot mentally din eh.
Sobra,
right?
ate.
I think in the reality show, you guys also cover that, diba? Like you guys show the things that you've gone through.
Oo, lahat.
Would you say that now you're in a good place?
No.
No, but
Hindi
But
naman. Kasi
really,
like,
you look like you're happy.
Yes, of course.
Of
I have to.
Yeah.
I really need to. Kasi
Yeah.
or else, ano na lang, di ba? What's the good thing about my life na lang? Hindi pa ako good looking. I wouldn't say na, hindi naman ako sobrang worse. Hindi naman sobrang pangit ng buhay ko. Hindi ako miserable na OA, ganyan. Pero, sabi nga nila, lagi naman yung wala sa buhay mo yung hahanapin mo. So,
The grass is always greener.
di ba? The grass is always greener by the
Yeah.
septic. Charot. Ayun. Anyways, ayun nga. I think, siguro masyado na akong greedy in life. And also, may mga bagay kasi ako na gusto ko nang makuha.
Ano
Matagal
ba gusto
na.
mo?
Like, I wanted to be plakado na yung katawan ko. Gusto ko na maging sexy ulit.
Mag-tearsy ka na sa
Ay, gusto ko na maging plakado ulit. Tapos,
Plakado ka naman eh.
face card. Pero yung katawan, ay, talaga. Ayun, siguro may mga bagay ako na hindi ko pa siya makuha sa ngayon. Kaya siguro nafe-feel ko na, ewan ko, siguro pag-iisip bata yun, na-frustrate ka kasi nagtatantrums kasi di mo makuha yung gusto mo. Na. So ayun, I'm trying to learn na talagang trust the process. Mag-intay ka, girl. Ganun. Kaya parang minsan nafe-feel ko na, no, hindi, I am not satisfied. Hindi pa ako okay.
More
Ganun. More pa. Ewan ko, sobrang ambisyosa ako kasi.
Hey, that's better than M&M lang in life,
yes.
diba?
Ayoko na go with the flow lang. Saan tayo dadali nun?
Wala.
Sobrang adventurous kong tao. Gusto ko lagi ng fun and
Yeah.
adventure talaga.
No, it is such an adventure though, having 4 kids. Yun palang.
Sobra, ate.
Parang your life is so busy, so full. When you guys got here, I was like, I wonder what it's like leaving the house with 4 kids, 2 of you helpers, or, diba? Like, I'm sure your life is just so full and crazy. Do you still have time for yourself?
Yeah, I did. I did make time for myself. Actually, ngayon, naggagawa na kami ng schedule. Like, 3 days a month. Meron kaming family outing. First unit ko. And then like
unit?
Yes.
What's first unit?
Kami, me, Harvey, and my kids.
Okay.
When you say kasi family, ang laki ng Toro family.
Yeah.
Hindi ko sila masasama. So yung first unit ko, yung binuo ko.
Yung core mo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yan, me, my kids, and my partner. ayun, meron akong 3 days a month. And then ako sa sarili ko, nag-a-allot ako na kapag chinek ko yung schedule namin sa reality show at ng schedule ko, pag may free day doon, okay.
Kunin mo na.
Kunin ko, mag-free dive ako, mag-brunch date ako with my girlfriend,
Yeah.
gano'n, ina-attack.
Yes. So thank you for
Kailangan.
making time with me.
Yes!
Parang 2 weeks ago pa or 3 weeks ago pa, I was like trying to make a schedule with you because I know you're so busy. In your free time, like what are things that you like to do? Free diving,
Free diving, makeup. I love makeup. Sobra. Like, hindi lang ako pala post talagang tao. Ewan ko ba kung ba't pa ako naging social media
Ba't di
artist.
ka nagpa-post?
Yun ang problema nila sa akin noon pa. Parang isang dekada na yung problema ni Mami Onion.
Ba't ba ayaw
tamad
mo?
ka. Ewan ko ba?
Alam mo, hanapan
I just-
kita ng editor. Check, hanapan
Ay,
kita
alam
ng...
mo ba, yun ang struggle ko ngayon. Naghahanap ako ng editor ate.
Yeah.
Anyways, ayun nga, ewan ko, parang when I feel like posting, yun lang.
Mm-mm.
Tapos like, kahit yung mag-picture, when I feel like gusto ko lang din mag-picture, or kailangan ko mag-picture dahil may trabaho.
Okay, kasi syempre may client, may this
Ganon.
and that.
Pero ako, sa sarili ko, sabi ko nga, natauhan lang ako one time na kailangan ko mag-picture kasi sabi ko, pag namatay ako, ilalagay nilang picture, outdated na. Outdated na, kaya sabi ko, sige, mag-picture na ako para may update man lang.
Mm-mm.
Ganon. Di talaga ako pala post. Ewan ko, siguro, sobrang salungat din kasi na yung work ko is
What's salungat?
online. Salungat is like, magkaibang direction.
Okay, gets.
It's
Like,
like opposite.
opposites. Yeah.
Ayan, so, yung sobrang outgoing at lahat nakabalanda sa social media. Ako naman, parang yung personal life ko, dito ng
Gets.
bahay lang ako. Ganon.
I see. It's really your two versions. Like, like fighting each other.
Talaga sila. Tapos hindi talaga. Gusto ko talaga maging senadora. Hindi. Pause muna sa bahay muna.
Yeah.
Chill lang ako. Tago muna ako sa room. Ganon talaga.
Okay. I feel like you'd be so good nga in the beauty community eh. Like, get ready with me. Si mga ganon, feel ko bagay ka dun.
Ang dami kong get ready with me. Just sa tambak lang
Na
sa hard
draft
drive.
lang.
Sa hard drive lang.
I swear, I'll find you a social media assistant. Do you have?
Wala. Alam mo, yun ang sinabi sa akin ni Bea B.
Yeah.
Sabi niya kasi, ate, maghanap ka na kasi ng ng
Ng tao.
mag-a-assist sa'yo. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, na-realize ko, kaya ko naman mag-produce. Tinatamad lang talaga ako mag-edit tsaka mag-asikaso. Pero sabi kasi,
Mag-fulfill na ng...
eto kasi, ang turo sa amin ni Mami Oni, nun bago pa kami mag-vlog, wala kang karapatan na maging vlogger kung hindi ka marunong mag-edit, hindi ka marunong mag-asikaso ng
Gets.
post mo. Kaya ko naman. Kaya tamad lang talaga ako. Oh my God, I need to
Ako,
my work ethics, ha? Na-expose
Hindi,
tayo
okay
dito.
lang. On time siya, guys, ha? No, but overwhelmed din ako. Kunwari, I take a lot of pictures. Let's say I'll go out. I'll take
Yes.
like 500 pictures. When I
Oo.
go home, I don't wanna open it. This is stress. I wanna parang folk. Like, I have to choose the perfect one and then put the
Yes.
carousel and then the
Oo,
music
oo.
and then until the point na matutulog na lang ako. Kasi until it becomes how many days na walang nangyari.
Yes.
Yeah.
Procrastinate na lang.
Yeah, because I get so overwhelmed. So I get you. Until I found someone to help me, parang they can do the selects for me. Like they'll choose and then it's easier. I'm like, okay. So I think that will help you.
Shucks.
But now that again you're at this place, do you ever feel like you missed out on childhood or those things? I know you did ballet for a long time. Yes, Miss
ate,
Bonakid.
Promil.
Oh, sorry. Fake news kayo. Sabi niyo,
Promil. Ang dami rin na nalilito doon.
Promil.
Di ba sa Bonakid ka? Hindi, Promil.
Promil.
Po.
Wait, were you ballet?
Ballet Manila. Ikaw?
I was across the street.
Ballet Philippines.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my God, ang toxic ng culture sa ballet.
Yes. And I
Hindi ko
wanted to
alam.
touch on that a little bit. Were they strict with your weight and the way that you look?
I think it contributes kung bakit hindi ako kumakain ngayon.
No,
The
same.
ED.
Yeah.
Girl, no one talks about it kung gaano ka-strict ang ballet. Like, okay naman yung puwet ko dati. Hindi naman sobrang, di ba, BBL looking like na puwet. Pero like, kasabihin sa akin talaga ng
Like school directors.
principal
yeah.
namin
Yeah.
na, Charis, gala! Ang laki-laki ng puwet mo, ang laki ng hita mo. Gaganunin ka.
Yeah.
Ilang taon lang ako noon? 11.
Yeah.
Tapos like, syempre scholar kami.
Mm-mm.
Wala kaming, hindi kami masyadong talagang magpapasaway. Pag sinabi talaga nila na, half rice lang ang kakainin nyo So, may pinoprovide sila na meal talaga, half
Yes.
rice lang kami. Tapos minsan wala pa, skyflakes lang. So, dala ka ng tumbler mo, tubig ka lang buong araw talaga.
Boiled
Ganon.
eggs.
Yes.
Saba.
Saba. Number one si Saba talaga.
Saba.
Oo.
And
Ganun.
with us, they would send a meal plan, if ever, like that you have to follow, like Monday to Friday with the schedules. And some classes you can't take, let's say the partnering when they lift you and stuff, they would say na you can't join that if you're too big. Kasi hindi ka
Sa amin hindi naman ganun.
Yeah, but it's
Half
hard.
rice lang, nando lang, ganyan lang. Tapos iba, grabe, early on pa lang, may body dysmorphia ka na.
Yeah, because I remember when my boobs were developing, diba? Tapos kitang-kita kasi sa
Ayaw
leotard,
nila.
diba? Parang,
Ayaw nila ng boobs, ayaw nila ng puwet. Kailangan stick ka.
yeah, but it's like you can't control that,
So,
right? Like,
gagawin?
it's at the age na you're still growing
Oo.
and medyo awkward pa.
Sobra.
Parang you know that age where like your nipples are like coming out.
Tapos
and
diba sa balay, nipple mo, sobrang nakikita.
That's what I was thinking. Kasi
Diba?
awkward. But then, I think that's why now, I'm comfortable din in my body. I'm comfortable na may body dysmorphia. You get it?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
may parts na I'm super comfortable. Like camel toe, I don't care. Kasi I've seen it everywhere. Like when you go to class, there's 10 girls na.
Yes, oo.
na may-
And the guys,
Yeah.
diba? Like, akala nila sobrang bastos-bastos na walang bra. Oh
But
my
the
God.
guys-
Wait till magbali kayo at nakapasok kayo sa isang class ng ballet school.
And the-
Makikita, mawawala talaga yung, oh my God, magbra ka nga. Wala nang gaganon
Wala.
talaga.
And in the morning when the guys are a little, diba? Because you can't control it.
Yeah.
You just look and they don't think anything of it, even if they're gay,
Yes,
right?
oo.
Yeah. So it's very different. But
Sobra.
it helps give you the understanding that bodies are just bodies
Yeah,
also.
Actually,
No?
yun talaga. Isa rin yun sa magandang natutunan ko rin sa ballet naman.
Mm-mm. Na eme-eme lang. Like, you don't have to think too much about it and everyone has these parts. It's not something to be
It will never
insecure.
define you, yung katawan mo. Like,
Yeah.
personality talaga, mabait ka ba, ganito ganyan. Doon ko talaga siya natutunan.
Okay, now we're gonna shift to your life in the limelight.
Okay.
Okay, so if you were to describe your character to somebody that's not watching the show, what would you say? Like, okay, I'm Papi and I'm...
Okay. I am Papi. I am a mom. And ex-senadora ako. I am very ex-senadora. Like, life in the limelight talaga. Gusto ko talaga yung attention nasa akin. Of course. Kaya nga tayo nag-social media kasi papansin tayo. So, ayun. I am very papansin. Pero at the same time, I'm very reserved din. So, I only
Okay.
get to let you see yung parts lang na gusto kong makita mo.
Okay.
Until maging sobrang comfortable ako.
Hindi ka pa comfortable, super.
Hindi
You
pa.
feel like there's
There's
more pa.
more. There's
Wow.
more. Like, nako.
Anong season na ba kayo?
Season 7 na kami ngayon.
Is it, how often ba yung seasons? Parang
Half
half year? Okay.
Yeah. So,
So,
3 years na
3
kami pa
years.
4 na rin.
Wow.
Halos.
Okay. Everyone wants to know, is it scripted?
Ay, Diyos ko.
No.
How I wish. Sana hindi ako nagte-therapy. Alam mo, yan talaga yung misconception nila. Kasi syempre, sobrang extreme. Oh my God, bakit niya ginawa to kay ganyan? Ganyan, di ba? May mga eksena
Yes.
kami na unbelievable talaga. Kasi hindi naman talaga usual na nakikita niyo sa social media yon. Pero to think, ang daming, kung ano may nangyayari sa family namin, ang daming nangyayaring ganun sa Pilipinas. It's just that
Yes.
hindi lang na-videoan. Kaya I think, kaya din minamahal ng tao yung show is because they can relate.
Yeah.
Hindi lang talaga na-video yung mga pamilya nyo, kaya ganon. So, ayun. Alam mo, natutuwa ako kapag ka naririnig namin yan na scripted ba kayo? Kasi it means like, may mga ganap sa amin na unbelievable talaga.
There's another quote I read or something I read, but it goes like, they should be grateful that they don't understand.
Yes.
Because if they don't understand the weight of what you're going through or the, you know, the trauma, the fights, the this and that means they haven't experienced it. They should be grateful they haven't experienced it.
Yes. Tsaka masaya ako kapag kami mga ganong feedback kasi ibig sabihin entertain talaga sila.
Yeah. Do you know how I first found you guys? Was when I was getting
Saan?
my nails done.
Oh.
And then my nail tech, she comes to my house kasi she said, watch nga ako nito ah. And then she played your videos. And I was like, what's going on? I think the first time I saw was like, I think, when was that? Like something, I think it was Mommy Oni breaking something in the garage or something like a
PS5?
a PS5 or something. Basta parang appliance or
Laptop or
yeah,
PS5
something she was,
din.
and I was so entertained. I was locked in talaga. As in, sabi ko, wait lang. Kung ano na. I was like, you know, when they're saying like put the left hand in the, I was putting the right hand in because I was really just watching talaga. And then I started watching a lot because I realized something about myself, which is I relate to it not because I am that way at home. Like my boyfriend and I were super peaceful, but in my head, sometimes I want to break my shit. Like in my head, this is the thing that I play in my head. Like you know, when someone pisses me off, I want to fucking hit them. Like I genuinely, but I don't.
Nasa utak mo lang.
Nasa utak ko lang. But then it's therapeutic that I watch you guys act out what I have in my head because it makes me feel validated.
Yes.
Na di ako baliw. Like everyone has
It's
these
normal.
these feelings or these thoughts. Like nangyayari talaga siya. Like okay, hindi ako baliw.
Kaya siguro din ang dami na kahit feeling nila ayaw na nilang manood, they keep on coming back.
Yes.
Kasi hinahanap nila yun eh. Something they can relate.
I mean, it's the same with Keeping Up with the Kardashians or Real Housewives and all of these shows. Like, it's the reason it works. And I think, to be honest, like, again, hot take, but Pinoys, they're not used to the reality of reality shows.
Kasi very telenovela, parang ano eh, fantasy talaga eh.
Yeah.
Fantasy yung utak nila. Kaya yung binigay namin yung ganito, kakaiba talaga. Nayanig sila talaga.
Nayanig. I like that word.
Nayanig ang YouTube ng Pinas.
But do you ever feel like you're held back by a role that you have to play? Like, do you ever feel like you have to be the good person in this or do you have to be the villain in this? Do you ever feel like that?
No. Siguro kung ma-held back ko is because I'm a mom. I wanna do like, I wanna be a cunt. I wanna be, alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like,
You wanna be a baddie.
Like, yung body inside me. Like, gusto niya pumawala. Gusto niya pumawala. Kaso nga lang, girl, you're a mom of 4, 3, tatlo yung daughter mo. Diba? Tatlo daughters
good
mo. Parang good
example.
example ka. Oh my God. Pero like, ayun. Just ko. Doon lang ako na-feel ko na hold back ako. Kasi nga, iba na pag nanay ka. You should really reserve yourself. Have some respect. Kahit minsan, ayoko. Parang, hindi, ito ako. Ganun lang.
No.
Pero sa character naman, sa reality show, wala naman kami character eh. It is what it is. Kung ano ka, bahala ka dyan. So, it really depends sa tao na nanonood if you're the villain or ikaw yung kawawa.
Okay.
Sila talaga mag-decide sa
Decide.
utak nila niyan. So, ako, I don't feel like kailangan ko maging ganito kasi ito yung nangyari sa kanya. No.
Kung ano lang gusto mo.
Kung ano lang kami, kung ano lang yung nangyari, maging family lang talaga kami. Maging totoo lang kami.
Okay. Interesting. Because I think, let's say, when I watch other reality shows also, it's like, let's say, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kim ganto talaga siya, Kylie ganto talaga siya.
Yes,
So I think it's the same with you
it's
guys,
the same,
no?
oo. Hindi, siguro kasi, sa isang linggo, parang ilang oras lang naman yung napapanood niyo every Saturday. So parang hindi yun yung hindi yung buong nangyari talaga.
Yes.
May mga parts lang kasi syempre na boring. Ayaw na namin include
Wag na
kain
yun.
oras. Like, hindi na siya magiging interesting.
Who sees the final edit?
Actually, lahat kami.
Okay.
Lahat kami. Pero ang focus talaga ngayon sa review, ako, Tony, and yung new generation na bagong pasok.
Okay. So, okay, question. What if may part na ayaw ni Mami Oni pero gusto mo? Gets mo? Parang what if
Actually,
gusto niyang i-cut?
wala kaming kinakat na na hindi dapat masama. Lahat talaga sinasama namin kaya kami nag-aaway-aaway na eh.
Is it just funny though when you watch it sometimes and then you're like, sinabi mo ba yan? Parang,
Okay, ganito yan. Parang pagka nasa gitna ka na ng emosyon mo, parang sabi mo stupid things, diba? Tapos parang mare-replay nyo after like, kasi kami 2 to 3 weeks kaming ahead.
yeah.
So, lipas na yung feelings mo, diba?
Yes.
So, magre-review ka ulit.
Yes.
3 weeks ago, oh my God, nasabi ko, nakakayatang ako. Tapos like, alam ko sa sarili ko na this is about to go on YouTube. Tapos mapapanood na lang lahat. Tapos syempre, nilubog ka na lang sa inuupuan mo. Ganun. Or kaya, halimbawa, nag-away kami ni Mama Marie. Diba? Away kami, fight kami. Tapos okay na kami. Nagkapatawaran na, cry na kami, everything. Tapos biglang ina-edit namin ulit. Tapos parang, shocks, ang sama akong tao. Ano ba? Ba't ko ginawa yun? Ba't ko siya binatula? Alam mo, okay na kayo, peaceful. Tapos medyo na-heal nyo na yung wound. Tapos parang nagiging okay na lahat. Tapos biglang parang pag nandun ka ulit sa editing, parang yung galit o yung ano man yung emotion mo that time, talagang bumabalik ka doon.
Yes.
Kaya kapag may kaaway ako, halimbawa yung mga ex-member namin, tapos galit ako sa kanya, so okay na kami. Nagagalit ako ulit, nainis talaga ako. Ina mo kasi, gano'n.
Parang it makes you mad again.
Again, no, reopen niya yung wound.
Yeah.
Kaya ayun, ganun siya. Pero after naman, once na ma-upload naman na, okay na.
Okay. I wonder if one of these days you'll get away from the editing. Because some shows, the talents, they don't see the final edit.
Ay, ganon.
Oo.
Siguro, pangyayari yon. I think if sobrang big na talaga ng reality show
Grabe,
namin.
gano'n ka big. Big
Like,
lang
may production level na talaga. Kasi ngayon, very independent kami.
Yeah,
Kami lang.
DIY.
Oo, tapos may editors kami na nag-edit sa office, ganyan. Pero I think kung talagang, alam mo yun, million peso production level na siguro baka ganun umabot kami sa ganun, talagang gaganap na lang kami doon.
Yes.
Pero sa
Talent
ngayon,
lang.
pero I think, hindi hayaan yun ni Tony kasi we wanna stay authentic.
Okay, I like
We
that.
wanna keep that. Kasi yun talaga yung, yun yung fire ng namin na reality
Yeah.
show namin, kaya it keeps on going.
That's the essence of it
Yung
talaga,
essence
no? But I do hear you also on the fact na you feel like you're a young mom, so it's like the baddie in you plus the mother is like
Oo,
fighting.
Oo.
But if you look at, let's say, Kim K, she's still a baddie, di
Yun
ba?
nga eh. So, nilolook forward ko na lang, okay, you're just 23.
Yes.
Imagine by 40, 18 na yung bunso ko, so I'm still a baddie.
Yes.
Tapos may responsibility ko na mag-aral-aral sila, ganyan. Magiging coach na lang ako sa life nila.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Do you ever feel pressured though because one day they're gonna watch these videos
Sobra.
or syempre search you up or search things that you've done before you had kids? Do you ever feel scared that they won't understand?
Well, actually, mas thankful ako na na-capture yung gantong moments. Kasi like, ang hirap kapag kwento-kwento lang. Like, yun yung sinasabi sa akin ni Tony dati na yung lola ko magkikwento, ay nako, nung kapanahunan ko, ang dami naliligo sa akin. Ganyan. kwento mo lang. Like, walang pruweba, di ba?
No.
Ngayon talaga na, pag sinabi mo sa mga apo mo, ay nako, alam nyo ba, nung panahon ko, search mo sa YouTube. O, di ba?
Search
Pop
mo.
up, ay, yung lola ko, buddy. Ganun talaga. So, I think, ayun,
You know when
mas gusto ko siya.
Yeah, you know when your mom or your lola says, ako, nung time mo, 18 inches lang yung waist ko. Mga ganon.
Like,
They say shit. They say shit like that.
Proof. Like, kaya talaga, ayun, mas thankful ako na may ganito kasi minsan, pagka busy na din yung life mo kapag tumanda ka, syempre, yung anak mo, kahit hindi ka na niya tanungin, panoorin niya lang yung video mo, siya mismo sa sarili niya, may matututunan siya.
Yeah.
Yun yung gusto ko sa reality show. Madami kang matututunan. Hindi lang to basta away lang kami ng away, toxican lang kami. No, there's a lot of lessons. So, ayun, okay lang sa akin mapanood niya.
Yeah.
Okay lang. Mas okay pa sa akin yun.
Okay. Do you ever miss privacy though?
Of course.
Of course.
I do. Kaya galit na galit sila sa akin kasi ako doon may pinaka-konting entry. Oo.
But I'm sure when you go out to a mall, people are taking photos with you or they can, you
pero
know?
kasi magaling ako magtago. Siguro kasi hindi nila ako ma-recognize agad. Kaya pag nag-disguise ako, hindi talaga ako nila may kilala. Mukha akong normal na tao.
Okay, is it the
Ganon.
shades or whatever?
Yung forma ko talaga, parang hindi siya sa tax bracket ko. Ganun talaga.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
parang literal na...
Imagine yun na lang.
Oo, kayo na bahala dun.
Okay,
pero ayun,
wag
pero
natin
minsan gusto ko rin lumabas na naaayon sa lugar. Like,
Yeah.
kung yung mall ko is, Greenbelt, syempre, decent looking ka, pero kung
Yeah.
SM lang naman ako minsan, kahit pambahay lang na simple, okay na yun.
They won't
Ganun.
notice,
Mm-mm.
no? Interesting.
Like, kasi hindi ako Tony Fowler na, pag malaking puto, si Mami Oni yun Di ba? Wala pang
That's
ganun
so
eh.
good.
Wala pa eh.
Based
Kaya
on
okay
the
lang.
body pa lang, no?
Yes,
Parang likod pa lang.
Tsaka wala akong tattoo sa arms, kaya parang si Mami Oni, pag nakita yung ganito niya, si Tony Fowler. Ganon.
Okay, because you have this.
Eto, so yung mga neckline ko mataas.
Yes.
Ganon.
Okay. How do you handle the judgment though, or bashers? Because there's a lot, right? Have you even like searched yourself, like, oh, what do they
Yeah.
think of it? I'm sure, right?
Sobra. Like, may time na search ko pa yung sarili ko sa Reddit. Kasi
Yeah.
gusto kong ma-entertain. Like, what would they say about me? Pero like, may times na sobrang depressive episode talaga. Like, I don't want anything. Sobrang ang hirap kasi, ako, nag-review ako ng edits ng reality show. So, I need to read the comments.
Yes.
Para makita ko yung feedback nila. sa editings, anong part yung mga board sila, ayaw talaga nila yan, pa-umay na sila, ganyan-ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, mababasa ko yung mga bad comments about me, ganyan. Pupasok talaga sa utak mo yun. Kahit anong deny mo na, hindi, okay lang yan, wala yan.
No, I literally wanted to die. Like,
Diba?
reading Reddit, I literally
Jesus
wanted to die.
fucking Christ.
Yeah, Jesus fucking Christ talaga.
Diba? So, ayun, ang tip talaga sa akin ito, huwag ka magbasa. Huwag ka magbasa. So, ito episode na lumabas na to, na nag-argue kami natin, hindi ako nagbasa. Bahala kayo.
Oh, okay.
Fuck you kayo lahat.
Wait, so this last episode, by the way, I just watched it.
Oo. Diba?
Just quick recap, because by the time this comes out, they would have watched it na rin.
Oo.
So that episode, whose engagement party was it?
RCN Shaz.
Okay.
LGBT, ganyan.
Yeah, and then you guys were making asaran.
Yes, kasi lagi nilang si Ate Marie kasi inaano niya si Tony na si Chiki. Uuwi na kasi Ate Marie, sa kanya sabay si Chiki. Kasi
Okay.
same house sila. So parang inaano niya si Chiki na sasabay sa kanya umuwi. So si
Okay.
Tony naman, Oy Chiki, uwi ka na. Bakit? Nandyan kasi si Papi. Kaya sabi ko, ano yung next naman ito? Ako na naman dahilan. Kaya parang,
Okay.
imbay na imbay ako kay Chiki talaga
What?
ng mga nakaraan. Imbiyar na ako.
Imbierna.
Sobra,
I
like-
learned so much from you. It's my vocabulary.
Malawak yung
Yeah.
vocabulary. So, ayun, imbiyar na ako sa kanya kasi nga, nung first time nila mag-review, ako yung kasama nila. Wala si Tony. So,
Okay.
tinuturuan ko sila. Okay, kapag ganitong scenario, edit out na lang yan kasi wala namang kwenta. So, ganito yung mga to avoid para hindi tayo ma-violate sa, sa YouTube.
Yeah.
Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, bigla siyang gumawa ng kwento na pagkaalis daw ni Tony dun sa office at kami daw ang nagre-review, may pina-edit out daw ako na part. Tinanggal ko daw.
Daw.
Tapos, parang a few days after na nung review, tsaka niya yung sinabi kay Tony. Tapos ako, naipon ako. Kasi
Okay.
hindi ko pa siya nakikita eh. So, hindi ko siya kino-confront. Hinihintay ko siya na siya yung manurumekta sa akin.
Yes.
So, mukhaan kami. Talaga pinaplastic niya ako. Parang, okay lang, ganyan. Kinaplastikan ako sa kanya. Kasi
that
sabi ko,
day. Yeah.
hindi, ilang araw na.
How many days?
Naipon talaga.
Okay.
As in, hindi ako sasabog ng ganun nung wala alam. Yung range ko, girl, iba.
I
Tapos,
think then, people are taking it out of context. They think it was just in that moment.
akala nila na parang inaatake ko lang lagi si Chiki kasi ang nakikita nila is, syempre, anong papakita ko lagi? Super walang kwenta na mukhaan lang kami ni Chiki. Syempre, papakita sa reality show yung sinisita ko siya. May mga sense.
Yes.
Diba? So, syempre, ang nila, ang lagi nilang pupunayin nila si Papi, lagi lang inaano si Chiki. Insecure yan, insecure bitch.
Yeah.
Para kasi si Chiki may pinag-aralan. Tapos siya, hindi siya nakagraduate elementary. Si Chiki kasi wala pang anak, dalaga. Pati siya, ang dami niya ng anak.
I feel like they're pitting her against you, but you're
Yes.
not pitting yourself against her.
Yeah, kasi ako, siguro kasi hindi nila ako nakilala kung paano ako dati sa girl group namin. Ganun
Okay.
talaga ako. Like, masita ako kasi.
A Virgo. Virgo.
After kay Tony, ako yung sumunod. So, ako talaga yung nag-handle when it comes to rehearsals, makeup looks nila, itsura nila, damit
Costume,
nila.
yeah.
Ayan, lahat. So, nadala ko siya sa Toro family na ako din, panay din ako si Tad na pag may nakikita ako. Kasi sabihin nila, wala naman akong pakialam.
Okay.
Inaya ko lang kumukanta nga yung member. Siyempre, ayoko rin. Kasi mag-reflect din sa amin na,
As a whole.
itsura mo, girl. Sabihin, nalagaan ka dito, ganit tsura mo.
So you really care about, of course, how somebody is presenting themselves because it reflects as a
Yes.
team.
Oo, tsaka ayoko sila magmukhang tanga. Siguro,
Yeah.
siguro parang na-adapt ko lang kasi the way how Tony is, kung paano
Yes.
siya magsalita. Kaya minsan na out of context na yung take nila doon.
But the
Pero
intention
I
is
care,
good.
I care. Siguro parang bungangera lang talaga kasi yung dating.
Okay,
Ayun.
the
Pero I care,
delivery.
oo. Yun ang pangit sa akin eh. The delivery, tono ko, ganyan-ganyan. So, ayun. Ang akin lang naman, ayusin mo sa rehearsal, huwag mo akong ang laki-laki ng bunga ko, hikab ka na, hikab.
See, in ballet, they would have kicked you out of class.
Totoo.
You
Bawal
can't
nga
just-
mo po eh.
Yeah.
Bawal nga mo po sa ballet. So, ako parang,
No water break.
wala, tayo ka dyan, nanginginig ka. Nanginginig na yung core mo, yung legs mo, shaking ka na. Siguro,
Wala.
ayun, syempre, hindi ko naman mapapaintindi kay, kay Chiki yun. Kaya kaya ko na lang na, sige, mukha masama, bahala ka dyan. Maintindihan mo rin ako soon.
Yes.
Parang ganon.
And because I think, how old is she? She's young.
24. She's older
Oh,
than me, a few months
okay.
older than me. Pero kasi syempre, through life experiences, syempre, baby pa siya, kumbaga.
Yes.
Hindi pa siya ganun kahinog.
Hinog, yeah. And
Diba?
ikaw, parang syempre, you've been through so much
lutong-luto
na.
ako.
Deep fried.
Oh my God, lamog na ako sa buhay.
Gets. Has she had like other work ba before? Or is this like
Hindi,
her
wala,
first?
kakagraduate niya lang
That's
eh.
why also.
Oo, wala pa siyang experience talaga. Hindi nga siya marunong pa atang maglaba.
So I think that's also, again, gives context as to where
Oo.
you're coming from and where she's coming
Kaya
from.
hinayaan ko lang. Yung mga ganong
Yeah.
maliliit, Diyos ko, ang petty lang. Okay lang, sige lang, judge niyo ako dyan.
Judge niyo na lang ako.
Ayaw ko na mag-explain. Ang naano lang talaga ako, most affected ako when it comes to parenting.
Okay.
Yun lang. Ayun ang may mga times na talagang sobrang OA na nila to the point na, oh my God, favoritism ka, ganito, ganyan, without even knowing kung ano nangyari. For example, birthday ni Dodong.
Okay.
Andyan na sa guardhouse yung handa namin, kinuha pa ng tita eh. Tapos sasabihin, hindi mala daw ako naghanda. Eh girl, syempre, nung time na yun, he was preparing 70 Mami Oni, so nag-fitting ako ng gown.
Nasabay-sabay. There's so much going on.
Nag-fitting ako ng gown para sa member namin na ayaw din kasing asikaso yung sarili niya. And ako, to the
Okay.
rescue na ayaw ko silang magbukang tanga. Ako yung nag-asikaso, dinrive ko sila, punta tayo sa
Okay.
shop, fit kayo ng gown, ganyan, everything. Kaya nalita kami umuwi. Na-sacrifice ko na yung birthday ng anak ko para lang ibigay yung
For
sa
something
kanila.
else.
Oo, kasi mas importante yung event ni Mami Oni, ano man lang malate ako ng few minutes, few hours away from sa birthday ng anak ko. Tsaka may plan din kasi kami after that. Siguro by the time na uploaded na ito, may kita niyo sa YT ko, nag-post celebration kami sa birthday ng kids ko.
Okay.
Kasi nung time talaga na yun, kahit ipilit ko yung birthday celebration dahil exhausted lahat. Oo,
Yeah.
hindi pa naman nila maalala na same day to eh. Tsaka at least,
I don't remember my second birthday, my third
Diba?
birthday.
like, yun yung na-realize ko kasi parang sinita ako ng family na, oh, wag ka na mag-ano, lagi nila ang grande birthday, ganyan-ganyan. Kaya naging ano ako na, okay, sige, let's try na maging wais tayo sa decisions.
Yeah.
Kaya yun, sige, celebrate tayo sa bahay. Ano ba talaga ang gusto ng bata? Hindi naman nila maalala yung regalo mo, maalala yung memories mo together with them. So, mag-swimming kami, ganyan-ganyan. Ayun.
That's
when
what
it comes
people like to
parenting lang.
compare, no? And then they say like, oh, like, I'm sure they attacked your parenting styles.
Yes.
Or would you say kasi you're a gentle parent? Or how are you as a mom? Are you strict?
Actually, strict ako. Pero yung pagka-strict ko, hindi siya yung to the point na nakakasakal.
Okay.
Binibigyan ko ng freedom yung kids, pero may limitations lang din ako.
Okay.
Like sa bahay, no sweets, no sugar. So yung mga
Okay.
biscuit nila doon, mga digestive, mga
Okay.
plain crackers, saltine crackers, ganun. Ayaw kasi masira yung ngipin, natuto na ako kay Happy, na dati first baby, favorite ng lahat. Ice cream, sweets, donuts,
Give na
burgers,
give.
yan. Sira yung ngipin. Ayun.
Okay.
So, ayun, may mga ganun na ako. Tapos, strict ako na kailangan twice a day maligo yung mga bata na yan. Ganyan. Ayun talaga. Tapos no iPad. Audio lang. Kung mag-play kayo sa YT ng mga nursery rhyme, tunog-tunog lang. Ayoko na kasi nadala na rin
Miss
ako kay
Rachel.
Dodo.
Yeah.
Diba? Nag-therapy yung anak ko kasi nagka-speech delay, kaka-iPad. Kaya okay,
Oh,
mag-iPad guys.
really?
Yes.
Like, it's because of the iPad, you
Yes,
say?
kasi na-delay. Tapos, ang nangyari, watch lang siya ng watch. Walang interaction na actual.
Na he's
Oo,
also...
wala.
I
So, yung yaya
see.
kasi, kaya naging 5 ang yaya ko sa 4 kids kasi dinadahilanan ako na nagsasaing po kasi ako, ma'am. Buong araw nagsasaing ka. Di ba? Buong araw nasa high chair yung bata, nakatapat sa TV.
Okay, tamad.
Yes, may mga ganon.
It's hard to trust
It's hard.
yayas, no?
Tsaka,
And find...
mahirap talagang mag-alaga ng bata.
It is. It's a full-time job.
Sobra.
One kid is a full-time job. 4
Kaya-
kids?
Kaya sobrang thankful ako ngayon sa mga angels ko. May harmony sila ngayon.
Okay.
Mababait yung angels ko ngayon. Diyos ko.
And your
Huwag
yayas-
sana ma-jinx.
They get along with each other.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi ano din yung rules din namin sa Toro family, ni-implement ko din sa sa house ko. Like, may meeting kami every now and then.
Okay.
Kasi sa family namin, what went wrong? Ganyan. May meeting. Kasi communication talaga kailangan. Ayun, so yun lang naman yung mga strict na po. Tapos, may freedom ako sa kanila when it comes, for example, si Happy. Alam niyang famous ang family. What does she think? I'm famous. I'm a YouTuber. Pagkingin komportable niya sa akin para kung magtropa. Like, binibigyan ko siya ng freedom. For example, event ni Mami Oli. Lalabas siya, may yaya siyang kasama niya ako, kasama ni daddy niya. Alam niya na agad na if somebody wants to take a picture with you, it's okay to say no. So may freedom ka, meron kang choice. Okay. No, I'm not comfortable. Okay. Oh, sorry, she's not comfortable. Okay lang po. Ganon. Hindi mo kailangan kumandong sa tito mo kasi tito mo yan. Picture kayo. Galing ang bro din. No. It's okay to say no. Siguro kasi na may namolestya din ako so parang gusto kong maging may boses yung anak ko. And also, hinakayaan ko siyang magsalita every time na may argument kami mag-ina.
Really?
Pero not to the point na disrespectful. Alam niya ang disrespect sa nakikipag-argue lang naman siya sa akin na may pinuprove siyang point.
Really?
Oh, si Happy sobrang intelligent na bata. Sobrang emotionally intelligent niya. Sobrang blessed ako sa kanya. Na siya ang first
How long have you had kids? 5 years?
5.
And then you started Toro family and all of that.
10 years na kami together.
Crazy. She's so fast.
Sobra. Like, sa kanya talaga ako lumaki. Hindi ko nga ma-imagine na in just a few years, mas lamang na yung life ko together with them sa life ko without them.
You know, seeing how the show has changed over the years, not everyone stays. Also, or not everyone is able to, I guess, keep up.
Siguro, big part doon kasi na, bago pa mabuo yung reality show is, together na ako with them. So, parang, lumaki na talaga ako sa kanila. So, comfortable ako. Comfortable ako na magkamali man ako, ma-misjudge pa nila ako, kilala nila ako. Siguro, yun yung lamang ko sa iba. Kaya hindi rin sila tumatagal.
Because they know you for you. Your sister was in a show before you
Yeah.
before also. What's your age gap with your sister, ba?
Almost 3, 2.5.
Yeah, it's really not an easy job what you
Yes.
do. And I think that a lot of people make it or they simplify it and they think that, oh, it's just a reality show. All they have to do is like hit each other and then entertain people. Okay na yun. But I think the work that goes into it, the rehearsals, the shows, the brand deals that you have to coordinate pa with the clients, you know.
Akala nila parang simpleng video-video lang, tapos may pera ka na. Sobrang bigat. Kahit sino content creator ang tanungin mo, nakaka-drain. Yung mag-brainstorm ka, may idea ka to execute, edit, tapos final touches, bago mo pa, may doubts ka pa bago may i-publish lahat. Tapos syempre, after marathon, ano sabihin ng tao, it's a lot.
So, do you ever feel like, you know, I mean, Toro family, I don't know how long you're gonna stay in it or how long it's going to last or how long you want to, but would you ever go back to a normal life?
No, ang hirap lumaban sa Pinas.
Really?
Ang hirap. Like, I am so privileged right now kahit ganito man yung tingin nila na ang chaotic ng buhay ko. No, this is better. This is better than anything na naging situation ko na ate. I feel like okay ako. Kaya laban lang. Laban lang, bahala kayo dyan. Ano, gusto mong miserable ka na mahirap ka pa?
Yeah, so you wouldn't trade it.
No. Okay. Alam mo, like, minsan kami, si Togi na napapaano yan napapabilo yan na.
Yeah.
Ang hirap-hirap lang yung famous door. Pwede kahit one day lang. Joke lang. Ayoko, kahit practice lang na one day, ayoko, famous lang ako.
How are you able to separate the work life from the home life though? Like, are you able to? Kasi hindi ka pa nababurn out na feeling mo, syempre now, nag-film tayo, after nito may rehearsals ka pa, then, syempre you guys have to film. Do you ever feel like, shit, you don't get on off? Like, there's no time to turn off?
I think, wala talaga. Kasi nga, ang trabaho namin is yung personal life namin. It's different than being a content creator na YouTuber na vlog ka, you can get to choose kung ano lang gusto mo mapakita. Dito talaga, like, papakilaman talaga nila lahat. Lahat every day. O, diba, panty liner na naiwan sa CR. Ganong level talaga.
I saw that wouldn't have a napkin or something.
Ganong level. Kaya feeling ko, nababurn out ako, oo.
Yeah.
Halos every month na nga lang ata, parang burnout ako. Kaya ako nag-make time for my stuff.
What makes you stay though?
When it comes sa reality show, I think siguro kasi first of all, family na kami.
Yes.
In-laws na kami. May anak na kami ng partner ko and also like, connected na kami by blood. Hindi na siya basta lang na friendship lang na ni Togi. So ayan, i-play our Barrios. Harley is pinsan ni Tony.
Ah, that I didn't know.
Yeah. Hindi na kami basta mag-best friend lang. Hindi na kami basta family na rin. Kaya siguro, ewan ko wala rin na ibang family. Sila nilang hindi talaga family. Kahit na na-fake up na kami sa isa't isa, burnout kami, we need to take time off. Talagang wala na kalasan to. God knows.
But I think it's admirable that you still stay. Yeah.
Kasi hindi lahat kain kami.
Yeah.
Even if may choice ako at alam naman din ito at alam ko sa sarili ko dahil inalaki niya naman ako na kayanin po. Pinipili ko lang nandito ako.
Yeah. And you show up. You actually show up. That whole like party. Yeah. That's a lot of effort. The dances that you guys did, the costumes. I was like, this is like bigger than ASAP.
So imagine like yung girl group na 16. Tapos by the end ng rehearsal ko dun sa surprise ko, mag-rehearsal kami ni Tony. Kaya parang wala lang akong energy sa rehearsal. Kasi yung pagmalamang na ako.
And you're able to manage everything of even motherhood. Which is wild. So on that note, a lot of people say, right, like we touched on it earlier on favoritism.
I feel like it's hard though to not have a favorite. Because even me, like that comparison with my dogs,
I would say like seasonal favorite, pero not general na parang favorite mo na the whole life. Kasi of course, let's be realistic. Si Happy, mas mabilis bitbitin. Why? You can communicate. Maupo ka dyan.
she gets it.
Oo, magdala ka ng toys niya. Dyan ka, work ka mo dito. Tapos, if like yung si Bebang or si Dodong, kailangan ng yaya, hindi ko talaga sasabi sobrang favorite eh. I think kapag dumating na rin sa point na si Dodong namin yung ganung edad, siya na yung mabilis kong bitbitin. And also, sunod-sunod din kasi yung tatlo.
So, on that note, right? Like, of course, it's seasonal. And also, we also have our bad days and our good days, right? Syempre, some days, like maybe Harvey, his favorite is this, maybe yours is a different one. But it shifts. Yeah.
Yun naman yung maganda sa amin kasi madami kaming angels na tumutulong. Madaming tita. Alam mo yun? yung partner ko, present, hindi ako single mom. So parang kung magkulang man ako ngayon kay Happy, si Harvey and sumasalo. Magkulang man ako ngayon kay Bebang, yung yaya niya ngayon, naglalaro sila.
Yeah.
Nababalance. Siguro yun din yung isa sa mga privilege ko din ngayon. Kaya
That you
parang
have that.
hindi mahirap. Hindi
Yes.
mahirap para sa akin. Kasi hindi naman normal din sa... Parang hindi siya kasi ginawang standard na parang kada may anak ka, dapat may helper ka. Kasi sa Filipino culture, pagka may anak ka, paghirapan mo mag-alaga ka dyan, bahala ka, 4. Sige, ginusto mo yan, di ba? Maghirap ka.
But they also glorify like that sacrifice too much, I feel, sometimes,
Oo,
you know?
Hindi,
Where it's not
hindi
healthy
normal
na.
yun.
Yeah.
Hindi normal na siguro kasi hindi nyo pa nararanasan na magkaroon kayo ng financial freedom para maisip nyo na ay hindi ideal talaga na ikaw lang mag-aalaga ng anak mo.
Yes.
Hindi, kailangan kasi sabi nga nila it takes a village, 'di ba? So kung wala ka mang village like me, wala akong family ko, merong family si Harvey, yung partner
Yeah.
ko, meron kaming enough na resources para makapagbayad ng mag-aalaga, may mga
Bills,
angels kami, may
everything.
yaya, ganyan, natutulong sa akin para hindi rin ako nababurnout.
Yeah.
Kasi ang hirap mag-fill in sa cup ng mga bata na ako empty na.
Wala nang
Wala
mag-give.
na, wala talaga. Ang hirap, tsaka nakuha ng mga bata, nagigets na yung energy mo na pagod ka na. Parang,
Yeah.
yun.
And it's better they grow up in a happy environment, you know, than one na, yeah, you sacrifice everything, but are you happy? Right?
Tsaka mas na-enjoy ng mga bata ang childhood nila kapag happy yung mommy.
Yeah.
Kaya minsan parang nafe-feel ko na nagigilty ako na, ay, magbabakasyon ako mag-isa. Pero hindi kailangan ko mag-recharge eh.
Yes.
Kailangan ko maging energized ulit na...
That's for them din eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun lang talaga, may mom guilt ka lang talaga na na-abandon mo yung mga anak mo para sa sarili mo, selfish mo. Pero kailangan yun. Kailangan talaga may me time ka kahit na it's just a 30-minute na shower.
Yeah.
Kasi yun na yung ngayon yun na yung pinaka-time nila sa sarili, makaligo eh. Kasi mga nanay talaga, alam nila yan, hindi na sila makaligo halos kasi nag-aalaga ng bata.
No, but also, at least they're 4 because now they'll never get bored,
Oo.
They'll have each other.
Totoo yun.
I notice you keep calling Harvey your partner. Are you guys like together, like fiance or engaged or anything like that? Or are you guys just like taking it slow?
We're taking it slow ngayon.
I love that.
Yeah, kasi may mga bagay na hindi dapat ni-rush. Even though,
Yeah.
kasi lagi yung sinasabi, may mga kakilala akong ganun, 10 years na kayo, dapat, by that
Yes.
time, kasal na kayo ngayon. So, pipilitin sila ipakasal kasi just because,
Yeah, just because you have a kid,
just
get
because
married
na
na.
matagal na rin naman na kayo, ayoko ng ganun. Like, yun din yung mga na-realize ko lately habang nagre-reflect ako sa vacation ko na ano rin ba ako outside ng roles ko sa
Yes.
pagiging nanay, pagiging partner. Kaya ayun, na-realize ko na may mga bagay na hindi mo dapat ipilit talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Whether it's being engaged, kung sa pagiging sa marriage ba yan.
Yes.
Ayun, hindi ko siya para ipilit.
Okay, so you're not rushing. No rush.
No.
Okay, and you're also only 23.
Yes.
Like, your prefrontal cortex is not yet fully developed.
Yeah, feeling ko nga mas magiging woke pa ako. Wait
Yeah.
for it. Like, character development who?
No, feeling ko pag 25 ka na, I swear, when I turned 25, parang akong nagising na ibang tao. Nung 25 ako, sabi ko, patay na si Kilakosh. Ako siya na to.
Yun, napanood ko nga dun
Shit,
sa,
wala to.
sa
Yeah,
what
may
was this
TikTok.
yung glow up
Yeah.
guide mo?
Yeah.
Na hindi ka na baddie. You wouldn't call yourself a baddie na kasi
No.
like you're a different person.
I'm a different person na, like, feeling like I can still be sexy,
Yeah.
but not like a baddie like before. I don't know, parang it's weird. It's weird talaga, but I wonder what that era will look like for you. Tapos you have your 30s pa. I'm really like so shocked though at how you've been able to manage everything. Or, you know, after 4 kids, I was thinking about it. Damn, 4 years kang buntis. You know? Like, that's
Tapos
a lot.
yung 3 years doon, sunod-sunod, one
Yeah.
after another talaga.
Tapos breastfeeding ka pa. Diba? Like,
Feeling ko parang nag-iba rin ako. Still recovering ako. Sabi nila, after you give birth, at least give 2 years to 5 years
Yeah.
for your brain, yung chemicals sa brain mo na mag-recover, yung katawan mo, mag-heal.
Mag-replenish, yeah.
Oo. Like ngayon, sinisingil talaga ako. Parang hindi ko naman pinagsisihan na nagkaanak ako, pero nagsisisi ako na hindi ko siya pinlano ng maayos kasi like ngayon, yung pa ako, half size bigger yung kanan, yung sciatic ako, ang lala, yung spine ko, like yung hips ko ngayon, hindi na pantay, naka-deviate na siya ng konti. May mga ganong
Yes.
singil talaga. So kung mag-aanak kayo ng sunod-sunod, magpahinga kayo. Magpahinga.
did you ever go through like postpartum
Ay,
depression?
malala. Etong pang-apat ko, doon ako talaga na parang pakiramdam ko na babaliw na ako. Kasi ako sa sarili ko, parang di ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Ano nangyayari sa
What
akin?
was
Ba't ko
it?
nararamdaman to?
Emotionally or physically?
Physically, lagi naman eh. Kasi after naman manganak talaga, it's not easy.
Yeah.
Kahit pa sabihin mong CS ka or normal ka, may kanya-kanya silang singil.
Okay.
Oo. So, pero yung mental load niya, ay grabe. You will feel unloved, alone, like,
The worst.
the worst talaga. Hindi mo siya mai-imagine na hanggat hindi mo na raranasan.
Okay, I don't want kids na pala.
No, you
Kahit
have,
wag na.
ang
Okay lang.
kailangan mo to have a good pregnancy and postpartum supportive partner, healthy environment, at kailangan meron kayong system na bago
Okay.
ka pa man din magbuntis at manganak.
Yeah.
Kasi kapag wala kayong system tapos parang nangangapa ka sa dilim, wala talaga. Hindi mo ma-enjoy yung experience. Actually, naramdaman ko yon nung nanganak ako kay Bebang kasi nasunod ako.
Okay.
Gusto kong manganak sa bahay na lang kasi ayoko nang bumiyahe, ayoko manganak sa kotse. Abutan na naman ako ng manganak ako sa kotse kasi mabilis lang ako manganak.
Wow. You're fast? You
Yeah.
give birth?
Oo, etong pang-apat ko, nag-dilate ako to 10 centimeters nang hindi pa ako nagle-labor.
Huh?
Oo, so
That's
open na
possible?
siya. Pwede na ako mag-push anytime. Hindi pa ako nagle-labor. Siguro kasi
Afraid. Ayoko na nga.
sunod-sunod daw.
As in, ayoko na.
Sunod-sunod kasi yung pagbubuntis ko. So I think hindi pa siya nakaka-heal
So,
back.
go na
So,
siya
go
agad.
na rin siya agad. So ayun, may mga bagay talaga na pag nasusunod yung gusto mong mangyari, mas magiging okay yung mental
Okay,
health.
but did you give birth in the hospital?
Sa pang-apat ko,
Okay, did you give birth at home also?
kay Bebang.
As in, did you have
Water birth.
anesthesia? Huh?
No, unmedicated lahat ng panganganak
Wild,
ko.
you're so strong.
Diba, raw dogging lang ako.
Yeah, raw doggy life.
Life, literal.
Oh my God, I can't. That's my dream, but feeling ko I'm weak shit for that, man.
I think it's
like,
very
I can't.
mental.
Yeah.
Yung panganganak talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi yung sinabi ko nun sa sarili ko kay Bebang na no, kaya mo yan. Yung pain is kakampi mo to get her out.
Okay.
Talagang mind games, girl. Talagang hindi, okay lang yung sumasakit. Hindi, ibig sabihin niya malapit na siya lumabas. Pero namamatay na ako sa sakit.
Nanginginig na siya.
Nanginginig na ako sa sakit. Talagang,
Okay.
ayun, very mental talaga siya. Kung ayaw mo, kaya
Wow.
tayo may options na epidural. Kasi iba-iba
Yes.
Like yung iba, kaya yung pain, pero hindi kaya ng daanan. Kaya,
Yes.
magsi-CS. So, you have your options
Yeah.
talaga. Kung ano sa tingin mo magiging peaceful na panganganak.
I think ang peaceful for me is no kids. After hearing this, I'm good, girl. I'm good. Ayoko na. So that said, I think you're really strong, right?
Thanks.
I do applaud your independence and your power. So I wanted to ask kind of like what makes you feel confident, right? Because I know you've had a lot of lows, but I'm sure you've also had a lot of highs.
Ako, I feel confident when, number one, pag nakakain ako ng tama. Kasi nakakalimutan ako kumain. So, nanginginig ako. Minsan, nag-startle ako, magsalita. But anyways, I feel confident when I am free.
Okay.
Narealize
As a
ko yun
Sag.
siya.
Yeah, as a Sag.
Hangin ang hirap kapag kalahating centaur ka, kalahating tao ka. Talagang you need freedom.
Tama.
Diba?
Yeah.
Ganun talaga. When I am free to express myself,
You're happy.
I'm happy talaga. Kapag walang kumukontra, or kahit hindi kumukontra, parang, actually, kumukontra
Yeah.
talaga. Kasi okay lang naman na huwag kang sumuport sa gusto kong sabihin. Huwag mo lang akong kontrahin. Kasi gusto ko express Tangin
Give mo na yun.
Oo, gusto ko, ayun, pag nakapag-express ako
Okay.
freely, I feel confident. Ayun. Kasi, hindi na siya about yung body mo, yung mukha mo. Kasi yung expression ko, malawak. It's
Okay.
either like when I'm cooking, when I'm dancing, when I'm doing makeup. So, ayun, a lot of
You have
things.
a lot of outlets.
Malawak yung outlet ka. Ayan.
You're a very creative person eh.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like people just need to see it more.
Siguro kung...
Yan, mag-upload ka na nga kasi.
Siguro
I
ano lang din.
swear.
Kung hindi lang din ako tanga-tangahan talaga sa birth control at hindi ako nag-anak ng sunod-sunod at naiayos ko yung timeline ng pag-aanak ko, siguro talaga mas nagawa ko yung mga gusto kong gawin.
It's okay.
But it's never too late.
It's never too
Diba?
late. You have an implant now.
Yes!
Implant queen. Okay. What's something you're proud of? Like, what's the thing that you're most proud of about yourself? And you can't say motherhood.
Ooh!
Yeah, because everyone says that I'm a mom, but I want to focus on you.
I think the faith in myself.
Yeah.
Yung faith na talagang hindi kakayanin ko to no matter what. The strength and the faith. Kasi kung wala akong faith na parang no, it gets better, siguro talagang nag-suicide na ako talaga. Ilang
Yeah, no,
beses
for
ako
real.
parang gusto kong mag-attempt, ganun dati na, hindi ko na kinakaya, pero hindi, kaya mo yan. Kasi I remember, bago mamatay ang nanay ko, bago ako lumayas sa kanya, umiiyak siya, habang high na high siya sa drugs, sinasabi niya sa akin, Charisse, kaya mo yan. Ikaw na bahala sa kapatid mo. Kasi magpapakamatay na siya eh. Tapos sabi nga, matapang ka. Matapang
Aw.
ka. Iba ka. Sinabi niya yun sa akin. Few months later, namatay na siya.
Oh.
Ayun.
And you carry that with you.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya parang hindi, sabi ng... Kaya totoo yung sinasabi nila, yung the voice na sinasabi ng parents mo sa'yo, yun yung pumapasok talaga sa anak mo eh. So kung paano mo pagsalitaan talaga yung anak mo, huhubog yun sa kanila. Kaya ganun ako kay Happy na, anak, you are strong, kaya mo yan, ganun. Lagi akong ganun sa kanya. Kay
Empowering them.
Dodong na, oh my God, sobrang pogi ikaw, cute ikaw, magaling ikaw, gano'n. Like,
Yeah.
happy, magaling ka sumayaw, ganyan-ganyan. Yeah, talaga, yung, doon na nabibuild yung self-esteem talaga. Kaya ako, hanggang ngayon, kahit minsan na parang doubt ko yung sarili ko, hindi. Alam ko, sabi ng nanay ko din sa akin na maayos. Matapang ako.
Yes.
So, I'll have that faith.
Yeah. And I'm happy that that's the thing that you're proud of yourself about. Next, I want to ask, like, is there any wrong assumption about you that people might think of you, or if there's anything na you wish you could debunk that people think of you?
Siguro yun nga, when it comes to parenting, doon ako sobrang tinatamaan kasi I am
Mm-mm.
very, very passionate about being a mom to the point na lagi kong kine-question yung sarili ko, am I a bad mom?
The mom guilt.
Yeah, lagi. Like, kada decision ko na gagawin ko, masama ba ako? Hala, ganito yung tingin nila. So, ayun. I think like, hindi, wala akong favoritism. Seasonal lang po talaga. Kasi nga, hindi mo malalaman sitwasyon ng isang tao eh. Hanggat
Yeah.
hindi ko yung nandun. So ako, I don't judge other moms kasi I know how it feels na parang isang tingin lang nila, parang alam na nila yung buong nangyari.
Yes.
So ayun, when it comes to favoritism, wala talaga. Or siguro kasi yun lang yung nakikita nyo sa social media. And hindi din naman kasi talaga ako pala upload at tao.
Yeah.
So,
And also, can I
Ayun.
just say, kids also have their favorites.
oo.
Kids also get to choose mom or dad.
Yes, yes.
How
like
come?
like si Happy, favorite niya mommy. Si Dodong, favorite niya mommy. Si Bebang at yung bunso namin, but daddy ng daddy talaga. May ganun talaga eh.
Yes. So, and you can't decide that for them then. No matter
Mm-mm.
what, like, even if both of you do your best, they will always, right? They'll
Sobra.
always choose.
And other than that, wala naman na. Kasi I feel like, kung ano naman yung gusto nilang paniwalaan, at
Yeah.
ayaw na nilang alamin yung totoo, yun na talaga yung gusto nilang makita sa'yo.
True.
Yeah, so wala na. Kung ano may masama ugali ko sa inyo, go lang. Kung plastic ako, go
Go
lang.
lang.
Kung insecure akong tao, go lang, sige lang. Kasi lahat naman tayo may insecurity. So wala na akong i-debunk. Yun lang. When it comes to parenting lang, na-hurt ako kasi talagang, I try not to be my mom.
Okay.
Talaga.
So it's like you tried the opposite route naman, or like
Yes, like,
completely different.
tinatry ko talagang i-heal yung wounds ko at wag maipasa yung generational curse na ginagawa
Trauma,
nila
yeah.
at yung trauma para lang sabihan ako ng ganun. Well, anyways, wala na naman akong magagawa kung sasabihin ng tao ng favorite ko talaga si ganun. Magagawa ko. Hindi ko naman kayo para i-please.
Yes.
Yun lang.
You don't make content to please them naman, diba? It's like, it's not for that.
Hindi.
But-
Kaya yung mga uploads ko rin, parang ang random, biglang nagluluto ako, biglang nagtutwork ako, biglang picture namin ng mga kids. Ang random talaga. Whatever na I feel like posting lang.
What makes you happy?
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun, yung freedom ko talaga to post. Ganun.
Do you ever feel like it's hard to make friends though? Or do you have friends outside of your units, like your Tora fam, or yun na yun?
Wala.
Wala ka ng
Actually,
friends?
Bali days pa lang, nahirapan na akong gumawa ng friends. Sa school pa lang, hirap na akong gumawa ng friends.
Are you an introvert ba? Like, are you shy?
Hindi.
Ano yan?
Actually, sobrang outgoing kong person. Kaya ewan ko siguro parang lagi nila akong ina-out kasi masyado akong papansin. Siguro it plays a big role din kasi yung nanay ko wala sa tabi ko nung bata ako, na OFW siya, so wala akong tatay, wala akong kahit na sino. So parang papansin talaga akong tao. So wala rin nagtuturo sa akin na hindi dapat ganyan, may
Yeah.
ilang yung friends mo. Tapos ayun, plastikan, ganyan, kabataan. Ganun. After ton, pumasok na rin kasi ako agad kala Tony, 13 pa lang ako. So sa
Oh.
kanila talaga ako lumaki.
I
So wala
see.
talaga akong friends outside ng family at ng circle
Yeah.
ko ngayon. I'm just starting pa lang.
Okay, well, I'm
Like
excited
free
for you.
diving community, ganyan. Yun lang. Other than that, wala pa. Kasi parang feel ko, ngayon pa lang din nagsa-start yung life ko kasi masyado akong minadali.
Yes. It's
So,
like nag-interchange yung timelines where it's
Mm-mm.
like the party girl era and all that came first before like
Oo.
finding yourself and your your fun.
Kaya hanggang ngayon, tinatry ko pa rin na gawin siya kasi it's never too late naman. Saka hindi naman life sentence yung pagiging nanay ka lang, di ba?
Yeah.
So, you still get to be you. Kaya ako, I still try to have fun. Kahit na may responsibilities ako sa bahay. I just make sure na nababalanse ko pa siya. Kahit wala naman talagang balance sa buhay. It will never be balanced.
It
Kasi
won't.
hindi talaga, gusto mo maging mayaman, mauubos yung time mo sa anak mo. Gusto mo maging full-time mom, hindi ka kikita ng malaki.
There's always a
Ganon.
trade-off, no? You give one
straight talaga.
thing,
For
you
this
lose
month, ito muna. Sige, next month, bawi ako sa
Yeah.
bonding ng mga bata. Ganon.
yeah, okay. One of these days, maybe I'll invite you to like Pilates if you're interested in mga ganyan.
Ate, sobra. Like,
Yeah.
magbabalik loob ako, mag-gym ako, mag-pilates ako, mag-equestrian ako.
Yes.
Ganyan. Lahat explore ko for myself. Kasi, may nakita ako sa internet na sabi nila na may hindi tinuturo about dating. Laging panakot sa mga bata, huwag kang mag-boyfriend, mabubuntis ka. Pero ang dapat kasi talagang tinuturo, huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend kasi hindi mo pa nakikilala yung sarili mo sa kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo for yourself.
Yes.
Sino ka ba talaga? Ano ba talagang type mo? Ano ba talagang makakatulong sa'yo sa ugali mo? Anong klaseng lalaki ang you look forward mo na kasama mo habang buhay? Dapat yun eh. Kasi laging
Yes.
panakot lang, mabubuntis ka. So, syempre, ikaw bilang bata na curious ka, ay, kilig-kilig, ganyan. Mag-end up ka sa tao na, ay, shucks, hindi ko naman pala talaga siya gusto. Tapos nabuntis ka na, ganyan. Everything, parang feeling mo tuloy nakatali ka na. Ganyan.
Yes.
Tas,
But it's not just about having kids. It's also
Yes.
about knowing yourself
yes,
first.
also, oo.
Diba? I feel like the priority really should be knowing yourself so that you can also get to know what you deserve or, your worth, really.
Actually, yun yung wino-work ko ngayon
Yeah.
sa sarili ko. Although, it kind of feels like it's too late kasi, oh my God, you already got 4 kids. Like, you have a partner. Pero like, I think it's never too late naman to reinvent yourself.
Yes.
Like, sinasabi nila life is short, life is short. No, life is long. So, you can get multiple different versions of yourself all
Yes,
throughout. Hanggat
and-
buhay ka, kaya mong like cut off mo yung mga people na
Rebrand,
ayaw mo
yeah.
mag-rebrand ka. Lalo na si Amber nga eh. Diba?
Who's Amber?
Si Amber ni
Which girl?
Depp.
Oh, Amber Heard.
Yeah, si
Yeah.
her, diba? Oh, move out siya sa ibang bansa. She's a different
Yeah.
girl. Diba?
Anyone, yeah, no?
So, yun yung nakikita ko na whatever ko naman sabihin ng mga tao sa akin, kung gusto ko mag-rebrand ako, they don't really give a fuck.
Yeah. No, I think that there's just so much to learn from this. I think nga lang din kasi, maybe you should do more podcasts because I learned so much from you today that I didn't get from the reality shows. Because syempre nga, it's clips lang,
Oo.
right? Which that's how a show is. But it's nice listening to you. Now we're gonna play a game. We're gonna play a little Would You Rather.
Okay.
But it's super easy lang. You just have to say the Would You Rather thing.
Okay.
I'll just pull them up. And then after that, we're going to ask you for advice from the
Okay.
fans. Okay. Would you rather public life or private life?
Public life.
Oh, cheat or be cheated on?
Be cheated on the lang.
Be cheated on?
Kasi naranasan ko ng mag-cheat and ang pangit ng karma.
Honestly, that's so true though.
Yeah. Like, nagantihan kami ni Harvey dati.
Really?
Malala kami.
This is
Like,
before
hindi siya-
kids?
Before kids. Kaya,
How long na ba kayo?
10 years.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Damn.
Diba?
Since 13 ka. Or
Yeah.
how old are you?
Hindi niya alam na 13 ako. I lied about my age.
Huh?
So, I told them na I was 18.
Okay.
And then, we broke up 2
Yun.
years. 2 years later, okay, trivia sa mga di pa nakakalam. Pumasok ako kala Mami Oni, 13 ako. I lied about my age. Sabi ko mag-18 na ako.
You told Mommy Oni that also. na
Yes, and
mag-
then yung mami ko gumawa ng fake ID from Recto, pinakita. So, syempre, legit, ganyan. Wala naman silang alam na fake yung ID. And then, nangyari, 2 years later, may gig kami sa Taiwan and Korea. Di ako makalipad kasi wala akong passport. So, kailangan sikasuhin ni Harvey yung IDs and passport.
For you.
Hindi ko na matiis. Inamin ko sa kanya. He broke up with me. Tapos,
No!
nalaman ng buong family. Kasi syempre, like, what the fuck? Am I a pedophile? Like, imagine parang pamangkin ko. We're hooking up, ganyan, everything, ganon.
But you lied
Naloka siya.
kasi.
I lied kasi. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
ang life ko naman sa nanay ko, binibenta naman ako. Sex work naman. So, syempre, para makatakas ako sa ganong buhay, mag-dance-dance na lang ako.
But
Oh.
syempre, you couldn't get into that life without also being of age. So you had to
Yes,
lie to get
I
in.
had to lie.
Grabe. Crazy what you've been through. But
Yeah.
also, you're so smart, huh? To be able to get through all of that and get far. Because if not, other kids, they would have just given up. Right?
Oo.
Maybe you would have been stuck in that life with your mom. If you didn't,
Kaya
if you weren't
naniniwala ako na
madiskarte.
sinabi ng nanay ko na, iba ka, matapang ka.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo
Kaya ko
yan.
talaga.
Damn. Okay. Rewrite the past or predict the future.
Predict the future.
I know you have good things in your future. So
Yeah.
it'll be good.
So, like, I wanna predict kailan ako mamamatay para mapaghandaan ko naman yung mga funds ng anak ko. College
trust,
funds nila,
yeah.
yung trust ko, maayos ko na, life insurance ko, madouble ko na.
Lahat na. Okay. Lose your friends or lose your man.
Oh. Sure. That's my friend, siguro.
Okay.
Kasi, my man is someone who I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
I'm pretty sure naman na confident na ako, sige, may man talaga dapat. I'll lose my friends na lang.
Yeah. And you'll find new friends.
Maintindihan naman nila yun. A true friend will know.
True
Kapag
friends will
kailangan
know.
nilang lumayo sa'yo. Ganon.
Okay. Start a business or become an artista.
Start a business.
You never wanted to be an artista?
Diyos ko, parang same-same lang din naman na halos acting ka sa social media rin naman. Yung mga social media artists, parang umacting lang din naman sa post nila. Diba? Oh.
And if you notice, a lot of artistas have been making content
Oh,
lately.
ganun din. Parang social media is the new mainstream eh.
Yeah.
So, I'd rather have a business na lang na mapapasa ko sa mga anak ko. Anin ko yung,
I saw you guys on live. When was that, last night? Or
yeah,
the-
Bommy Love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started using it.
Talaga?
From the party, the wash. Yeah,
Yes, gusto mo?
Yeah, it's fresh. So it's nice. That's new lang though, right?
Yes, kay Tony.
Okay. But maybe in the future, we'll see your own.
Yes, ang dami kong ideas. Like,
Yeah.
gusto ko lang muna maging plakado yung katawan ko para maganda akong model.
Yes. No, but you have the face card na eh.
Like-
Body is, I was telling you look good na nga eh. But I know what you mean though, na
Yeah.
you want more pa.
May, pa eh.
May oomph. Okay, date a rich but mid-ugly guy. Or tall but he's broke.
Kasi, wala talaga kasi sa akin kung ano eh. Kung ano yung tangkad, itsura. So, I think,
Really?
mahal ko.
Oh.
Mahal ako.
Mahal.
Yung mas mahal ako. Yun.
Okay.
Kasi
so,
pag, I don't care kung mayaman ka, kung gago ka. Tapos, syempre, imagine you had kids with someone na mas mayaman sa'yo. Tapos, ginagago ka. Tapos,
wala rin.
married kayo, nag-divorce kayo, nag-annulment kayo. Tapos, madami siyang pera, pwede kanyang baliktarin. Tapos,
Yeah.
ang mangyayari sa kanyang custody ng mga anak mo, ayoko ng ganon. May friend ako nangyari kasi ganon eh.
Yeah,
So,
and then
I'd
you lose
rather-
it all.
Oo. Kaya I'd rather have someone na mahal ako.
Okay.
Mayaman man o mahirap.
Oh, okay. Forget or forgive?
Forgive.
Okay.
Forgive. It doesn't mean na you forgive naman, you have to forget eh.
Okay, I like that.
Kasi may mga tao akong pinatawad ko na. Pero, it's not the same anymore.
Forgiveness
I just
kasi,
made peace with it.
yeah, forgiveness is more about peace for yourself.
Yes. And also sa other part na, sa other side.
Yes. Okay. Nagpautang, aka you lend money or would you rather
Magpautang.
magpautang?
Ayoko ng utang talaga. I hate
That's good.
utang kasi parang dati, hindi ako maayos sa pera dati. So, pag may
Okay.
utang ako, nagagalgal ako, no, ayoko talaga. Magpautang na lang. At least ako parang may achievement ako na kahit pa paano na-help
share.
ko yung tao.
Yeah.
Kahit na utang niya yon. At the moment na nangangailangan siya, I can lend some. Gan.
So you would rather give.
Mm-mm.
I like that.
Tsaka ang toxic talaga ng pag may utang ka. Akala na, parang na kasi yun, parang ni-normalize na sa
Yes.
Filipino culture na may utang eh. Mali yun talaga.
And I think also the culture na if you have more, people expect na you'll lend them money.
Oo.
Na parang it's your job.
Mm-mm,
Have you
oo.
ever felt that with people?
Oo,
Because
oo.
I feel like with me, like
Ikaw naman yung meron. Sige na.
yeah. Once I had more followers, before when there was none, people didn't have that expectation. I'm sure with you now, people are like that also
Oo,
sometimes,
oo.
no?
Actually, sa family din, sa side din ng family ko, kaya kinat ko na yung mga remaining na buhay na family ko. Kasi
Cut off na.
namamatay na kasi yung side ng family ko. May isa na lang kaso nangungutang pa. So,
Wag na.
kina-cut off ko talaga kapag ganun abusado. Ako gusto ko yung nagkukusang loob ako na magpautang ako once, twice. Pero parang halos every month na pag na-short sila, ay, ako, security fund.
Trust fund.
Emergency
Ikaw na.
fund ako dito. Ganun.
Okay, money or fame?
Money.
Money. I like that because with fame naman, doesn't necessarily mean you have money.
Oo, totoo naman yun. So, papansin naman akong tao. So, I think ma-work ko naman yung fame. yung money kasi hindi agad-agad hindi kasi siya yung piso, yung kada followers pang piso.
Yeah, I
Hindi.
wish for every
milyonaryo ka.
I wish for every view was 1 peso.
Diba?
Then I'd be rich. I'd be rich as
Sobra.
some of them kasi they think na kada upload,
Oo,
diba?
a million views. Laki yan, pwede yan.
Wala pa.
Depende sa RPM ni CPM.
Okay. Last is manapak or masapak? Would you rather be hit?
Masapak na lang kasi nung lanapak ako, nag-away-away talaga. Ayoko lang, mali po ang manakit. Sige, magpasapak na lang kayo, pero wag sa face para maganda pa rin.
Sayang.
Magpasapak na lang kayo sa likod, sa tagiliran.
That's your
Wag sa
puhunan
mukha.
eh.
Oo,
Your
ito na nga lang natitira yung katawan nga,
Your face is your puhunan. Okay, now we're gonna answer some questions from fans. These are more for people with problems. Okay,
Okay.
and they want your advice. Okay. Hi, moms. I've recently downloaded dating apps and opened myself to dating. What was your dating life back then, and how did you find the one? Like, how did you decide on Harvey that he was the one to have kids with? Because right now she's having a hard time. Like, I guess single kasi siya, so she doesn't know.
Okay, so, ang hirap sagutin kasi sa totoo lang, si Harvey is my second boyfriend.
Okay.
Yung first boyfriend ko, I was so young. Gullible ako. Siya yung nakakuha ng virginity ko. So, wala talaga akong masasabi na dating life. Well, after namin maghiwalay, nagpaligaw-ligaw ako pero I don't think na sineryoso ko masyado. So, I would just say na keep your options na malawak. Hayaan mo, may
Okay.
the best man wins, ika nga ni Ellen Adarna. Kahit 20 pa yung manligaw sa'yo. You are not tied to anyone. Hanggat hindi kayo kasal, you can exit a
Anytime.
relationship anytime.
Okay.
Tsaka talaga, kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung gusto mo. At wag mong i-ignore yung red flags.
Your intuition, as you said.
Yes, your intuition. Tangina, hindi talaga. Magsisisi ka kapag pag sobrang pinatagal mo pa, tapos nagpanggap ka pa na, hindi, mabait naman siya. Ay, hindi, parang okay lang. Wag.
It's not
Wag.
enough.
You get to
Okay.
choose your partner, okay? Kaya choose wisely.
Okay, can you tell me what are your thoughts for not having sex for almost a year because you are nahihiya to ask as well? Does that mean na wala nang gana ganon kasi you've been together for years already, and paano mo masisimulan if ikaw yun?
Oh,
Almost 1 year, no sex.
kailangan maging vocal ka when it comes to sex life kasi sobrang malaking part yan ng relationship. Sobra. Like ako, sa partner ko, sobrang naboboard na ako. So, we'll try something new.
Spice it up.
Spice it up. O kaya parang, ayaw ko ng posisyon na ito na nangangalay na ako.
It's been over
Ikaw muna,
same.
Pillow princess muna ka dito, ganon. So, kailangan maging, ka talaga, verbal ka sa mga gusto mo kasi hindi naman din manghuhula ang lalaki.
Yeah.
Tsaka,
And every girl is different.
tsaka tanongin mo rin yung partner mo, ano ba, may mali ba? May mali ba sa kanya? Ano ba nangyayari? Baka di na siya nagkaka-erection, pa-check up nyo na.
Honestly, also, you never know.
Baka nahihiya lang siya masabi kasi baka naapakan na yung ego niya pag sinabi niya hindi na ako tinatayuan. Diba? So, ask. Ask talaga. Talk about it. Kasi kayo yan, team niyo yan eh.
Yes.
It takes two to tango. Paano yun? O kaya, kung talagang hindi niya na, talagang it's not possible na talaga, pero love mo siya at ayaw mo siyang iwan, go get a vibrator. Mag-dildo
Help
ka.
yourself.
O kaya mag-gitara ka dyan, lalala.
Costumes, role
yeah,
play,
yon magandang magandang
eksena.
eksena yon, mag-costumes kayo, maglaro-laro kayo, meet up somewhere na parang hindi kayo magkakilala, tapos maglandian kayo.
Yeah. Wigs also.
Yeah,
you can try
oo,
different
like,
looks.
Tali ka niya, oh my God, diba?
There's a lot to try.
Itay ka sa bed, balibag ka.
You know,
Kinks.
I feel
Discover your kinks.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Ang saya kaya nun. Kasi para kayong naglalaro pero adults na kayo.
yeah, with your best friend. Ganon.
Someone you're comfortable with.
My boundary though, I would never be able to try opening the relationship. Like, I know there's some couples out there that are
Oo.
okay with it, and I know long-term couples na parang they've been together 10 years and then they start inviting like a new
Oo.
person, and parang nagiging throuple sila or something. Parang, I don't know,
Mahirap yun.
hindi ko yun kaya.
I think ako, sa utak-utak ko, parang, oh my God, that's cool na. Pero pag ako nilalagay ko ng sitwasyon ko
Yeah.
doon, parang hindi ko din kaya.
Hindi
Kasi,
ko- I'm selosa
very
eh.
jealous din ako. Pero like, di ako yung OA na jealous naman. Nasa lugar naman ako. Like, kaya kita may kabandi ka ibang babae, kanya. Kasi kilala ko naman yung partner ko. Wala
Yes.
siyang pakialam sa inyo kahit magubad kayo sa harap niyan.
You
Wala.
trust.
Binigay niya ako ng ganong security, kaya swerte ako sa kanya sa kanan.
Okay. Next is, I love my friend so much, but she's turning into a toxic relationship na kasi she's mad when I don't update her. She even wants to see my location. She doesn't like it when I hang out with other friends, and saw her one time scrolling through my messages. If you look past all that, she's a great friend, but it's just too much. Na para bang boyfriend. What does she do?
A friend?
Oo. Her friend wants to know her location. Kailangan laging in-update.
That's not healthy. Kung relationship kasi maintindihan ko pa eh. Sabihin ko talaga, oh my God, ask her what made her like this.
Yeah.
What happened? Did I do something na, diba? Pero like, if you're just a friend, boundaries ang kailangan doon.
Yeah.
Boundaries. You have to set boundaries talaga. Kasi, ang hirap niyan parang obsession.
Yeah.
No.
Did you watch it?
No. I feel like the film is not mutual.
Then she's just standing there, no?
Wag, communicate with her na you are weirded out. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo. Communicate mo talaga. Communication talaga. It will fix everything.
It really will.
Oo, kailangan lang talaga. Alamin mo saan siya nanggagaling. Dahil bakit? Na, ano ka ba? Na feeling mo ba may iba na akong friends kaya parang ganyan ka na. Pero, okay naman sa location, GPS pa. Ayoko nang ganun.
I don't like also.
Ayoko.
I mean, me and my boyfriend will share location, which I think is normal
For safety.
diba?
Pero
But
like, not yung obsessive na parang 24 hours.
hindi naman ako nakatingin sa...
Oo, hindi ganong level. Kahit kami ng partner ko eh. Nung time na naglolokohan kami, oo, naka-on yung location namin. Pero nung time na nagkaanak kami, naging maayos na kami. Wala na, like, very safe. Kasi dapat, sa relationship, you're supposed to feel calm and safe.
Yes.
Sa friendship, dapat ganun din. So, kung natataranta yung friend mo, baka may iba na.
Yeah.
Baka
No?
crush ka na niya.
Yun na
Baka may
actually.
feelings na siya sa'yo na hindi niya lang narekta.
Yeah.
Pag-usapan niyo talaga. My God.
My gosh, scary, no?
Scary yun.
Yeah. Okay, another one is, I've been dating this guy for only 1 year pa lang and he wants to try butt stuff. How do I say no because I'm not ready yet? But does it really hurt? I'm scared.
First of all, masakit siya sa una. Masakit
But you
siya
get
sa
used
una.
to it.
I think personal preference talaga. If you're open to exploring, di sabi mo sa kanya na hindi ka pa ready for now. Pero pagka na-warm up naman kayo sa isa't isa at mas comfortable na kayo to do things, maano naman yan. It will happen naturally.
Also,
wag pilit kasi pagka pilit, masikip siya.
masikip siya.
Masakit. You have to relax kapag you're doing the back door.
You have to want it.
You have to want it. Tapos talagang, oh my God, masakit siya, oo. Lahat naman ng masakit sa una eh. Pero yung iba na-enjoy nila. Pero ayun, as someone that tried it,
Yes.
masakit talaga siya sa una.
But
Pero ayun, personal preference.
try with toys first.
Toys, yeah, kaya meron na mga butt plugs.
Yeah.
Yeah, may mga dilators.
You guys should have that as a brand.
we thought about it kaso ang lawak na ata ng competition ngayon
Okay.
sa online.
Interesting though. I feel like dapat maging endorser kayo niyan or something. No? Like brand na lang. Because I feel like a lot of them, they need help, because I think these kinds of questions, they're shy to ask in public. So whenever I say, send your questions anonymous, Gina G. Because they do want to know more. They just don't know how to know
How to.
more. Yeah.
Saka siya, very taboo topic kasi yun sa Pinas. Parang very Maria Clara pa rin kasi talaga. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos knowing na we're a Catholic country, medyo sila ilat.
But a lot of people do it and they enjoy it. It's just not talked about. Okay, last is, any advice po for someone na sobrang tagal ng single and ready na magmahal ulit? Pero wala pa akong nagugustuhan at wala ring nagpaparamdam. 24 years old na me, has work, and I enjoy being single but I think ready na ako umibig ulit.
Oh my God! Lumabas ka! Go on a party! Mag-dating app ka, try different things kung paano ka makakakilala. Travel!
Travel,
Tapos, travel. Mali mo wala sa Pinas yung para sa'yo, nasa ibang bansa.
Yeah, what if she's into a fams pala?
Yes, kasi may mga friends ako na 8 years ng single, tapos 8 years na ring sarado yung puke nila. So,
Yeah,
sabi ko, girl, virgin ka na ulit. Yung hymen mo nagsara na. Diba? So,
Pwede na
kailangan
ulit.
nila masundot. Ayun, sabi ko talaga, okay, go. Nasa sa'yo yan kung anong method mo siya, paano mo siya mahanap. Pero ang dami nating options. Dating app, gimmick ka,
Gimmick ka. Do you go out
sama ka sa mga friends mo na may mga kapwa rin iba pang friends, hang out with new people.
Do you go out pa ba?
Minsan lang, pag may
Yeah.
nag-aaya, kasi kami, pag nagiinom talaga kami intimate, sa bahay lang. Pero pag may
Okay.
mga mood din kami, tara, gimmick tayo.
Okay.
Ganun.
Okay.
Night out tayo, magmaganda lang tayo, let's put in a pretty dress, tapos like,
Aura.
aura ka lang, ganon.
Sometimes I like going out just so that I can look pretty eh. Not
Yeah.
because I want to drink really.
Oo. Like, take pictures lang.
Tapos di ko naman pupost.
Lakad-lakad. Oo, yun ang problema talaga.
Yun talaga ang problema. Okay, I have a question for you. Can you teach me how to twerk?
Sige.
Yeah. We'll do that in another video.
Yeah, I can.
Yes.
Oh my God.
But thank you so much for being on.
Yes,
That's
thank
it.
you. Oh my God, hindi ko na malayan.
Thank you so
Oh
much,
my God, thank you
Happy.
so much din,
Thank
Kush.
you.
I'm
Thank
so
you, thank
happy.
you.
Sana marami kayo natutunan.
Yes.
Oh my God.
That's Bible.